like that, we stressed on the importance of shifting from simple carbs to complex carbs. నార్మల్ ఇడ్లీ నార్మల్ దోశ వీటిల్లో నుంచి కొంచెం కాంప్లెక్స్లోకి మిల్లెట్ బేస్డ్ డైట్స్ గురించి మనం వీ స్పోక్ అబౌట్ మిల్లెట్ బేస్డ్ డైట్స్. దట్ డజంట్ మీన్ యూ విల్ ఈట్ 10 dosa here also. Okay, don't get confused. Actually, quantity paranga, because these guys are like filling, the millet things are like really filling. They have a lot of fiber content in them, they have a lot of minerals, vitamins, so it will be kind of comparatively insulin friendly. Okay, and again, quantity matters, and we introduced most of you to this wow community, which is our virtual fitness community, wow workout community. Ella roju morning, every day morning we all get together 6 to 7 and do workouts together in association with the Pete's Fitness Studios. We are getting trained, we are getting the workouts by some professionals. So I've been getting responses over our web page and Insta, and even over my personal number, that they have been very happy with the workouts, because all the workouts have been scientifically designed. It is not just a random workout that you follow over YouTube. They're all absolutely scientifically designed, Monday till Saturday. So you all got introduced to this in WOW 1. So what happened in WOW 2? WOW 2 we focused on the importance of gut. Why should we focus very big time on gut health? Because gut health is connected to most other disorders. That's what we saw, and we even spoke about treating an effect versus treating a cause, and why should we have a wellness coach. And if I have to put a glimpse of what exactly happened in WOW 2, this was the biggest thing that we spoke about. Because most of the times when we go to a doctor, most of the times manam doctor దగ్గర పోవడం కానీ approaches, all these things happen at this topmost point, the diagnosis hota hai na, like where all the symptoms have become really really big, and things have become a little uncontrollable. That's when you go to a doctor. But unfortunately, that is not the right thing to do, because most of these things, before they become a disease, they begin with something called as a disorder right down the curve. That's where the things start to go wrong, and your body will start whispering to you at that point. That is, most of the times we ignore when these things happen. Most of us are blessed with optimal health, but it is not that this is like granted forever. We have to work for our optimal health on a day-to-day basis. Today, 30th October, you have to work for your health. Tomorrow, 31st, you have to work again. January 1st, 2021, again you have to work for your health. Or else, if you're not working towards your health, slowly and slowly, you will go up the curve. That was what we spoke in elaborate in WOW 2. How this chronic diseases take a shape. They don't happen overnight. It is like the journey to the uppermost point of the curve doesn't happen overnight. Osteoporosis doesn't overnight. Asthma, heart attack doesn't happen overnight. Obesity doesn't happen overnight. PCOD, thyroid, nothing happens overnight. They take a lot of time, right? So if we can give them the right treatment, we we slowly can get them back to this point again, to the starting point, to the optimal health point. But remember, even that is not like going to be there forever. No one is going to be there forever. We have to keep working to stay there. That is what WOW community is all about. How can we stay very close to optimal health as long as possible? And why do we need a wellness coach? To really help you understand where exactly you are in that curve. How can you go back to your optimal point? To really help you understand some important facts and truths, that you might not be aware of. Maybe you might be thinking, because you may be really wondering why exactly you're facing some health issue. You're not eating a junk diet. Maybe you're working out also sometimes, but maybe you're sleep deprived. Really, you might need a coach, where a coach or an expert who can study your lifestyle and really come out with some holistic solution, right? And at the end of our WOW 2, we came out with a 90-day plan for a vibrant health, which includes December, January and February. So in the month of December, we wanted to have some plan for these 3 months, so that we become absolutely healthy while entering 2021. We jump into 2021 with a bang, with some vibrant health. So we chose gut health. We chose to work on gut health, and because the man himself, the father of medicine himself, concluded, he made a statement that all the disease begins in the gut. So if we can repair the gut systems, most of the things will get repaired, right? Like many food sensitivities, thyroid conditions, fatigue, anxiety, depression, joint pains, weight loss. You want to add on weight, you want to lose weight, digestive disorders, and immunity related, because we are just around the corner of another brand new year. And we really hope that things are going to be absolutely awesome in 2021. But yes, we keep hearing about one more strain of virus that is also around the corner, right? Like us waiting to get into New Year, right? So we need to really totally work, just not on some disorders. We need to really work on our lung also, our capacity, our immunity. So gut health contributes to 70% of your immunity. I don't know whether you know this or not, right? So 70% of your immune system is connected to your gut. 70% of your immune system. Just don't assume that something happening here, nose blockage or some congestion in your chest, మనకేదో ఇక్కడ సమస్య ఉంది అనుకుంటా. అంటే దానికి మన గట్ మీన్స్ యువర్ ఇంటెస్టైన్, టమ్మీ, దానికి సంబంధం లేదనుకోద్దండి. దే ఆర్ ఆల్ అబ్సల్యూట్లీ లింక్డ్, రైట్? సో దట్ ఈస్ వై వీ చోస్ టు వర్క్ ఆన్ గట్ సిస్టమ్. And this is what is the name we gave to December work, December detox December. And December మొత్తంలో we spent 4 weeks in December month with these detox juices. First week with ashgod juice. Second week we all tried to flush our toxins with the help of carrot juices. Third week with the beets, and fourth with leafy greens. So this is how it happened. Now we are here standing at the recall of WOW 3 basically, right? So now I will hand it over to the person who is going to introduce one more concept for this month. I mean to say the month of January 2021.